Today, we're going to talk about the importance of regular AC maintenance for Boise and Nampa homeowners. As the temperature rises, your AC unit will be working hard to keep you and your family cool. But did you know that without regular maintenance, your AC unit can become inefficient and may even break down? This can lead to costly repairs, or even worse, the need for a replacement. That's where Peppy Heating and Cooling's Comfort Club comes in. By joining our Comfort Club, you can receive regular maintenance for your AC unit, ensuring that it's running at peak efficiency and reducing the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns. This means you can save money in the long run and have peace of mind knowing your AC unit is in good hands. But why is regular AC maintenance so important? First and foremost, it can improve the air quality in your home. A dirty or clogged air filter can lead to poor indoor air quality, which can have negative effects on your health. By regularly changing your air filter and cleaning your AC unit, you can breathe easier and experience fewer allergy symptoms. Regular maintenance can also help your AC unit run more efficiently, which can save you money on your energy bill. An efficient AC unit uses less energy to cool your home, which means you'll pay less each month. Plus, an efficient AC unit is better for the environment, as it reduces your carbon footprint. Finally, regular maintenance can extend the lifespan of your AC unit. By catching small issues early on, our technicians can make repairs before they become major problems. This means you can avoid costly repairs or the need for a replacement unit. Isn't it time that you joined many other smart homeowners in Boise, Nampa, and Treasure Valley, and became a member of the Comfort Club today? Experience the benefits of regular AC maintenance delivered with Peppy's proven expertise and commitment to customer satisfaction. The Peppy promise means that you can trust us to keep your AC unit running smoothly year-round. So hop to it and join the Comfort Club today.